Hi, I'm Tina Polish, your functional health coach, here to talk with you today about the gut-brain connection, how to feed your brain. You know that you can have gastrointestinal symptoms when you're stressed or nervous. We've all experienced that. But you may have also heard about the gut-brain connection, that your gastrointestinal system, lovingly called the gut, not only talks to your brain, yes, talks to your brain, but it's kind of its own brain, a second brain, and that it may influence your actual brain. If there was ever a call for digestive health, this is it. Yes, it's true. Your gut is considered your second brain. There is no denying it anymore. And because of the new scientific discoveries about the vagus nerve, the enteric nervous system, and the amazing influence your gut microbes have, it's no wonder that what you eat feeds not only your body, but it can directly affect your brain. I find it amazing, but not too surprising. So what exactly is the gut-brain connection? Well, it's very complex, to be honest. We're still learning lots about it. There seems to be multiple things working together. Things like the vagus nerve that links the gut directly to the brain, the enteric nervous system, the second brain, that helps the complex intricacies of digestion flow with little or no involvement from the actual brain, the massive amount of neurotransmitters produced by the gut, the huge part of the immune system that's in the gut and can travel throughout the body, and the interactions and messages sent by the gut microbes. This is complex and amazing if you ask me. I'll briefly touch on these areas in this video. There's a nerve that runs directly from the gut to the brain. It's called the vagus nerve. And after listening so far, you probably get a sense of which direction the transmission is. Not from your brain to your gut, which is what we used to think, but from your gut to your brain. Then there is the enteric nervous system and neurotransmitters. Would you believe me if I told you that the gut has more nerves than the spinal cord? I knew you would. And that's why it's referred to as the second brain. And if you think about it, controlling the complex process of digestion, like digestive enzymes, absorption of nutrients, the flow of food, should probably be done pretty smartly, don't you think? And guess how these nerves speak to each other and to other cells? By chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. In fact, many of the neurotransmitters that have a strong effect on our mood are made in the gut. Like a whopping 95% of serotonin is made in your gut, not in your brain. How about the immune system of the gut? Because eating and drinking is a huge portal where disease-causing critters can come into your body, it makes total sense that much of your defense system would be located there too, right? 75% of our immune system is in our gut. And I know that the immune cells can move throughout the entire body and cause inflammation just about anywhere, right? And if they're activated by something in the gut, they can potentially wreak havoc anywhere in the body, including the potential to cause inflammation in the brain. How about gut microbes? Your friendly neighborhood gut residents. You have billions of those little guys happily living in your gut, and they do amazing things like help you digest certain foods, make certain vitamins, and even help regulate inflammation. And for those of us with mold illness, who doesn't need that? But more and more evidence is showing that changes in your gut microbiota can change your mood and even more serious mental health issues. How do these all work together for brain health? The honest answer to how these all work together is that we really don't know just yet. More and more studies are being done to learn more. But one thing is becoming clear: a healthy gut goes hand in hand with a healthy brain. So how do you feed your brain? Of course, a variety of minimally processed, nutrient-dense foods is required because no nutrients work alone. But two things that you may consider: eating more of fiber and omega-3 fats. Fiber in fruits, veggies, nuts, and seeds help to feed your awesome gut microbes. And omega-3 fats in fatty fish, walnuts, algae, and seeds like flax, chia, and hemp are well-known inflammation-lowering brain boosters. If you're interested in more health information, please go to my website, moldillnessmatters.com, and click on the link from my newsletter at the top of any page of my website. Fill this form out and it will put you on the list to get it. Also, while you're there, you may be interested in a complimentary discovery call, because I can test for things like leaky gut and teach you natural protocols. The link for that is there as well, further down on the moldillnessmatters.com homepage. Go ahead and click it to schedule one. Let me help you bring function back to your health. And if you know anyone else who could use this information, please share it with them. Have an abundantly healthful day.